Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Cadyce CA-RE300 wireless and range extender using the WPS Push Button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, take your Cadyce CA-RE300 Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power LED light to turn on and become stable, not blinking. This indicates the extender is powered on and ready for setup. Identify the router's WPS button. It may be labeled WPS, show 2 arrows, or be a small physical button. Press the router's WPS button once. Many routers light a WPS LED or flash it while waiting for the pairing device. The router is now ready to accept a WPS connection. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, go to your Cadyce CA-RE300 extender. Press and hold the WPS button on the extender for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS or signal LED on the extender will start blinking, meaning it is trying to connect with the router. The two devices will now automatically exchange network information and connect securely. The connection process may take around 30 to 60 seconds. Once the extender connects successfully to the router, the signal/link LED will stop blinking and turn solid green or blue. This indicates a strong and stable connection between the extender and router. If the LED shows red or orange, it means the signal is weak, and you should try moving the extender closer to the router for the setup. Find the extended network name on your phone or laptop. It may have the same name as your router or end with _ext. Use the same Wi-Fi password as your router to connect. Test internet to confirm it's working properly. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.